Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arti from My Fashion Lifestyle, and today's video is on how you can style a scarf in different ways, and this is the first one. So I'm going to show you how to wear a scarf in a bow style. You can use any type of scarf, but as long as it's in a softer fabric. So tie a knot in the center and then fold the scarf like this to make bows. Tie a knot, and there you go. You can pull out the section of the bows as wide as you like I have done over here. I'm adjusting it. That's your first style. Number 2 is using a long scarf. It's a narrow scarf, and I'm going to twist it around. It's soft fabric like silk or chiffon or georgette. This one is in chiffon. So I'm just twisting it all around. So I've given it a double wrap around my neckline and brought it back to the front, and I'm going to tie 2 knots here. So this will give me a necklace look with the scarf. So here's the second look. Number 3 is wearing the same scarf in a different way. Just wear it like this, like a choker, and leave the ends open like this. You can do this with any type of scarf which is long, and it works perfect. Number 4 is wearing a scarf around your neck, and you're going to give your top or your spaghetti top a different look like this, which is another top look, or you can even create a different beachy kind of a look with this. Tie a knot in the center like this and keep it low till your neckline and twist it around 2 times. So I'm just adjusting the knot. Now what I'm going to do is spread out. I'm going to open the ends like this and wrap it around my bodice. So I'm taking the edge behind on this side on top, and I'm going to do the same on this side. And what you're going to do is pin it or tie it up behind. Now the ends at the bottom over here, I'm going to use a safety pin to secure it so it doesn't move and it stays secured. So this is your 4th look. Now I'm going to show you how to wear a scarf into a layered style. So I'm using the same scarf. Now I'm going to wrap it or fold it in half like this, but I'm going to do this diagonally biasly. As you can see, I've created a V effect, and hold the ends where it's folded, and I'm just going to tie it loosely around my neck. I've done 2 knots. And then come to the front and adjust your drape. So you're going to see it's going to have these open ends, so it creates a handkerchief look or a handkerchief hemline, and this gives you an instant layered effect to your top or whatever you're wearing underneath it. Number 6 is how you can wear a scarf as a ponytail or with a ponytail. I'm just going to wrap it around. I have made a ponytail, and I'm just going to tie it into loose bows. Because the scarf is long, I have done this. You can even create another type of a bow, and that's just simple as that. Number 7 again is to create a scarf bandana, and all I'm doing is just tying it underneath my back neck, and that's it. So this completes 7 looks of a scarf, how you can tie a scarf on your head and neck. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel too.